guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be making a super easy, super soft and super delicious chocolate chip cookie for one in the microwave. Now this is actually one of my most popular recipes ever across social media. It has something like 40 million views, which is just crazy. So I thought I'd bring it to you guys at YouTube in a slightly longer format so it's slightly easier to follow. So if you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get going. Okay, so this literally takes 2 minutes to make. You can use a mug or a ramekin. I'm gonna use a ramekin. It's about 3.5 inches wide by 2 inches deep. So we're gonna start by adding melted butter. I melted mine in the microwave, about 500 watts in 20-second bursts until just about melted. Now I'm gonna add my sugar. So I have 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. You can use just one of the other, but the combination gives you the best texture and flavor. Now I'm just gonna mix these together to form a paste. Perfect. Now we're gonna add our egg yolk. With the white, you can add it to like an omelette the next day or something, or on the day, depends what time you're making this. And we're gonna add a little drop of vanilla. So I say about half a teaspoon, but that might be a little bit too much. I mean, you do you with the vanilla. And then just mix those until combined. Great, so that's nice and smooth. Now I'm gonna add our plain flour. I'm just gonna stir that until just combined. Now I used salted butter for this cookie, but if you don't have salted butter, I would add a little pinch of salt when you add in the flour. Okay, now last step, I'm gonna add our chocolate chips. So I'm using dark chocolate chips here, but you could use milk or white, or you could add nuts or anything you like to make it your own. And then just fold those in gently until they're evenly distributed. And now I'm just gonna smooth it out so it's nice and level and it looks nice and neat. Beautiful. Now I'm just gonna add a sprinkle of chocolate chips to the top. I actually like to press mine in. I think it looks pretty. Okay, now that is literally our cookie done. You see how easy that was? Now I'm gonna bake it in the microwave. So this is where you make or break your cookie, okay? Because if you overbake, it's gonna go dry and crumbly and it could burn, and no one wants that. So I'm gonna microwave mine at about 600 watts. So that would be about a medium heat for most microwaves for about 40 to 50 seconds, okay? Try not to overbake. All microwaves are different, so please watch your cookie. You basically don't want any wet. You basically just don't want any wet batter left. So our cookie is fully baked. It took exactly 50 seconds and I've let it cool slightly because it's very hot when it comes out. So don't burn yourselves, okay? It should be slightly risen with these little holes in where the air has come out, and it should still look slightly moist on top. Now for the best bit, let's do a taste test. Oh, it's so soft. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. It's like soft and sugary, a little bit gooey with like those melted chocolate chips in there. It's quite like a cakey cookie. It's not like a soft, chewy cookie, but 10 out of 10 I'd recommend. So that is the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you make the cookie, what you think of it, and what flavor you make. Also, let me know what other recipes you want me to make in like long form videos. I'd love to hear from you guys. If you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Yum.